So I'm so excited. I'm finally having a new street door put on today. The one that I've got at the moment, it's been okay, but it's quite old now. I find there's a draft, especially in the winter months. It's just like there's cold coming out of the bottom of it. It's often creaks when you open it. The locks keep getting stuck, so we have to keep having our locks changed on it. And it's quite dull when we've had all our front done. So to have a new door to add to it, it's just going to make the house look amazing. Yeah, I'm really excited for the new door today. So I finally had my new door fitted by Palladio. It's such a much more solid door than my other one. I'm really pleased with it. The best thing, it has a 12-year guarantee, so anything goes wrong, they come back and just literally fix it all. The thickness of it is really sturdy. The last door we got quite a draft from the bottom. It brings in a bit more light as well because I've got these lovely windows at the top. Yeah, I'm really, really happy with it. The lock system on it is very good. I feel really safe with it, and I really guarantee this make of door.